So how to start reading to become better at reading comprehension. So if you're a beginner, well, let me give you the lowdown. So you want to read those areas that are relevant for the CAT exam. And what are those areas? So when it comes to reading comprehension passages, you'd see that a lot of passages belong to certain specific genres and you need to prioritize those genres. If I talk about the last 5 years, we have received a lot of passages from areas like sociology, anthropology, science and technology, ecology, biology, particularly zoology. And then there are quite a few more. We'll put the list here and then you can go through that. And now the question would be, okay, where to study these genres from? So again, the IIMs have this tendency of going back to certain specific resources, and if you go ahead and read passages from those resources, your practice, your reading is going to be very relevant for the CAT exam. So what are those resources that the IIMs tap? They take up passages very routinely from places like the New York Times, the Guardian, Scientific American, The Economist, of course Eon Essays, and some more. You'd find the list here. So make sure that you do visit these places regularly. Apart from that, a lot of passages are taken from books, and therefore it'll be a wonderful idea for you to get into reading books as well. So if you're a beginner, here is a book that you can start with. Who Moved My Cheese? 35-page book written by Dr. Spencer Johnson. It also has photographs. So that'll be a good, fun read for you to begin with. Thereafter, you can gradually build upon that and read more and more challenging things. How about following it up with Jonathan Livingston Seagull by Richard Bach? After that, you can move over to reading The Old Man and the Sea. Then The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. So go ahead, read these books, and then gradually your goal is to become comfortable with non-fiction from the genres that get asked in the CAT, particularly from those genres that bother you the most. Now at this juncture, a lot of people tell me that, sir, I don't find these books interesting, so what do I do? Well, to that, you are somebody who has already read a lot of stuff which was not interesting. Remember, that stuff is called textbooks. So you have the ability to read the non-interesting stuff. You don't need it to be interesting. So please make sure that you stick to reading every day for at least 20-25 minutes, using resources that challenge you, using resources that take you beyond your comfort zone, and that will set you up for excellence in the reading comprehension section of the. And in case you are still confused about which all websites and how do I really go ahead and track and read all these diverse genres, we have you covered. On the iQUANTA's website. We have links to 250 high quality articles that are segregated along the genres. You'll find the link in the description.